speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. All I really need to understand is when you.
I said sit.